Hi guys, it's Rachel with WTI, and who is a huge fan of s'mores? I have to show you guys these amazing s'more caramel clusters by Kirkland Signature. These are so delicious. This comes with a package of 2 bags, which is great because they go by really fast. So you have a really nice kettle cooked caramel inside this, on top of graham and marshmallow, coated by a beautiful milk chocolate. These are so delicious. I absolutely love the taste of this. My whole family does. Just the blend and combination that they have together, it's literally like sitting by a campfire and having a nice s'mores. The only thing, it's not all heated up and warm, which you can do if you want to in the microwave, but they are just good just the way they are. It's something nice to have as a snack if you have people over. It's nice to have as a snack anytime, because who doesn't want a s'mores? They're so yummy, but that's just my point of view.